Hi, it's Matt here from Go Green Autos. So this is my Tesla Model S. It's a 85 rear-wheel drive, and I'm going to do a little modification to it to make it a little bit faster. Well, this mod is either going to make the car a little bit faster or it's going to make my manhood feel a little bit bigger. But I'm getting old and fat now, so I could do with some of that. So what I've got is a carbon fibre boot spoiler from China. So I bought the car in the workshop, and I haven't unboxed this yet. This has taken about 3 weeks to arrive. I can see here on the side it's come on by plane, Virgin Atlantic, into London Heathrow. But yeah, it's well packaged up, and I haven't opened this yet other than cut the sellotape. So yeah, got polystyrene, and this is all wrapped up in bubble wrap. So let me go and get a knife and take this all off. Just opening it up, it looks like we've got a alcohol wipe there for cleaning the body down, and it's also wrapped up in this protection. But I'm getting a little bit worried because on here it's got 3, and I hope this isn't a Model 3 spoiler, and it should be a Model S. But anyway, let's get it undone and have a look. So here it is unpacked. It actually does look like it's the right one, and it looks in really nice quality actually. No scratches, no chips or dents. I have seen some of the reviews and some mixed reviews saying that they were damaged in transit, but yeah, this is absolutely perfect. And then if I just offer it up on there, yeah, as you can see, it is the right one. So I'm going to clean the boot lid there and stick that on. As you can see, it's only tape to stick it on, but I'm going to remove the polish that's on the boot lid, and it's got lots of sticky sap from trees at home on the bodywork at the moment, so I'm not going to film that because it is just a case of cleaning it and sticking it down. But I'll come back to you when this is finished. So job done. I've never done anything like this. I've never been into making cars look like something they're not, but it's only because it was cheap really. And this one's had the wheels painted grey, which really does look good against the green bodywork, so that sort of keys in with the wheels. So yeah, I think it looks alright, and for the money, 93 quid, it's not bad at all. So I'll put the link in the description of this particular one I bought on AliExpress. Fitting it's very easy, it's just tape, so I cleaned the wax off with the alcohol wipe there included. I also got some more alcohol and gave it a really good clean. Marked up this crease line here with masking tape on both sides so I could find the sort of centre point. I also, as a second reference, used the badge. Heated the tape up, peeled the red stuff off the tape, heated the tape up with a heat gun so it really sticks well. It's very difficult then getting it in the right place because once you drop it, it's stuck. So I am slightly out. There's a few more millimetres on one side than the other. That side slightly in by 3 or 4 mil compared to that side, but only I will notice that, and I'll probably notice it every single time I look at it. But anyway, there we go. So yeah, mine's now a pretend performance model. So as always, if you found this video useful, please do click the thumbs up on YouTube. Have a look at the channel. I've got plenty of other videos on this car if you're interested in that, as well as many other EV videos. And I will go home this evening and see how much faster my car is.